How to add someone to Robinhood account. If you are wondering how to add someone to your Robinhood account, whether as a joint account holder, beneficiary or authorized user, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If not, if you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, if you want to add someone as beneficiary, then you can click on this human icon on the bottom right corner, and after that click on this three line here, and here find this settings. After that you will see add beneficiary option there. If not, you can click on this Robinhood support option on the back and ask them to assist you regarding your issue. Now another option is to invite someone to Robinhood. Open your Robinhood app and again tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right corner, and there click on this three line on the top left corner, and here click on this rewards option. Now click on this invite friends option and share your referral code via text, email or social media, and once they sign up and fund their account, you both get a free stock. So this is how you can add someone to Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.